the battery tester to the battery and check the condition with the proper procedure. Connect positive cable to positive battery terminal, then connect negative cable to negative terminal. Then press the enter button, select test battery, then enter. Select the input battery type petrol model, just select the battery number. Using this button we can change. Select 34B90L, then press enter. Battery testing is progress. Battery status is good. Then take a printout. Next, check the electrolyte specific gravity. Remove the battery cover. Then using hydrometer, need to check each cell gravity. .250. Then check second cell. .250. Then check third cell. Then third. Fifth cell. 1.250. Then sixth cell. .250. Write down the each cell values in answer sheet. Next, check the battery current drain using multimeter. We need to check all the electric load is turned off. Ensure ignition is off condition. Also roof lamp is in off condition. All the electric load are off. Remove negative terminal. Change the positive cable to 10 ampere socket. Then select the multimeter to 10 ampere. Connect the probe in series condition. Check the current drain. Current drain is .03 ampere. Okay.